Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to plant a grapevine. So my mom bought another grapevine. This one is a black grape, so it's called vitis venus. I'm going to read the instructions afterwards. Basically the same care as you do with the other grape plants. So you can see we have another grape plant at the back here, which is the red one. So we don't like the green grapes, we like the black and the red. So that's why we only have these two different ones. So this one is from Asda. You can see how beautiful that's looking. Thick stem, many growing points. It's really tall as well. So I'm going to plant in this big pot. As you can see here. So firstly I need to put some fish blood and bone fertilizer, like just that. I just eyeball it and that's it. Mix it well. Like that. So the amount of soil is alright, but I'm going to put some more soil just in case it settles after the rain. So a bit more soil here. It's a bit dry, but that's right. Put some more soil, and you can see I made a hole, big hole. So I just need to take the plant out. So the soil below was a bit old. That's why I put some fish blood and bone fertilizer and with some fresh soil at the top, just to give it a start. Let's see how the plant is looking. It's a bit dry. So let's see if it actually comes out. So it's like that. In the middle, but that's right, it's just because of the root ball. So you can see it's looking alright. So space in the front, maybe I can use that for some planting of other annuals and stuff. So I just need to water it, and it's looking great now with the other grapevine as well. So you can see that, and that's how you plant a grapevine. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.